Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making the creamiest mashed potatoes. KFC used to sell these. I don't know if they still do, but they used to be amazing. And so this is my best recreation of their creamiest mashed potatoes. For this recipe, we are going to be needing 2 kg of potatoes, 1 packet of cream. I'm using Nestle's milk pack cream of dairy, and apart from that, we're going to be needing 1/2 cup of butter. I'm using unsalted butter, so I'm also using 1 teaspoon of salt separately. Apart from that, we need 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 3 tablespoons of powdered milk. I'm using Nestle's Nido milk pack 40-grow milk. Apart from that, for the gravy, we're going to be needing 1 cup of chicken or beef stock. You can use it for the fresh way powdered cube form, but you need chicken stock or beef stock. Apart from that, we're going to be needing 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. For this, I'm using salted butter, so I'm not adding salt separately. For this first step, we're going to be making the potatoes. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the potatoes and I'm going to add in, these potatoes are already boiled and I have put them through a strainer to take all the water out. Apart from that, I'm going to be needing the powder milk, pepper, and butter. And our cream, obviously. There. Now I'm just gonna put this in here and let this cream together. This is ready. The consistency is like very thick, and that's how we want it. It's like toothpaste. And I'm just going to turn this off, and I'm going to take this out now. I'm going to be making the mashed potato gravy. I'm going to turn the stove on for this. And I'm going to add in the butter in. Now I'm just going to add in our flour. Add in a bit. That's all for flour in there. I'm just going to well mix this. I'm going to add in the stock. I'm just going to move to my whisk here to get rid of any of the lumps in here. I'm going to add in my cube, paprika. If you don't have paprika, you can use red chili powder. And black pepper. Start to see the bubbles are coming, that means it's ready. There. So there you have it, your mashed potato gravy, and honestly, smells amazing. And it's great. So there you have it, your mashed potato gravy. Now that this gravy and the mashed potatoes are ready, we're going to be plating it. So I'm just going to take my mashed potato, put it into the bowl. Burned. I'm just gonna fill this to the top. Now that's in there, and I'm just straightening out using my spoon, and I'm just going to tap it. And I'm taking a tissue and I'm just gonna clean the edges. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, now I'm gonna be putting the gravy on top. Look at that. It looks amazing. There. Just going to layer it on top. Looks beautiful. And there you have it. Your KFC-like creamiest mashed potatoes are ready. They look awesome. Like, you can see the mashed potato and then the layer on top, and it smells really good as well. And you guys should really try this recipe at home. And if you do, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!